What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to be working with Cupshe on this video, and I have so many cute pieces that I cannot wait to show you guys. This collection is inspired by chasing the island sun and chasing the winter escape, so I have a bunch of fun pieces that I can't wait to show you. So let's just get right into it. The first item I chose was this gorgeous sage green low v-neck dress. I think this is so beautiful. This collection is perfect for where I live because it is November 4th and it is 82 degrees outside. So my fall doesn't really look like a typical fall like in Portland. So this collection is something I can wear right now. In the back, it is completely backless and then it kind of crisscrosses right here. It is a shorter dress, but it definitely is the perfect length, not too long, not too short. And I am 5'2.5" for reference, so this dress should hit probably around my knee area, and I am so excited to wear this dress. I actually think that I would style this with a white turtleneck. I think this with maybe some little boots could definitely be a great way to transition this dress for the fall season. I feel like I'm going to feel like a literal princess in it because it's going to be really nice to kind of dance around in. I also want to mention that I ordered everything in a size small, and it does seem to run a little bit big. I definitely could have gone away with an extra small. But I just didn't know like if it was going to run big or run small, so I just wanted to be safe with a size small. So this next dress is absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to wear this on like a little staycation. I am obsessed with the color orange at the moment. I just love how it looks with my dark hair, and honestly I feel like orange is such an underrated fall color. A lot of people think like, oh, it has to be like a burnt orange, but like I think this color is so beautiful. And again, it kind of has like the same lower cut neckline, which personally I don't mind. I am very flat chested, so it kind of just sits above my neck, but that is fine. And then I am a sucker for anything with cutout detailing. I just love it and I feel like it's extremely flattering. The material, and so far these last two dresses feel and look extremely comfortable. I love that each piece of clothing is made with special fabrics that is fit for literally any and every single body shape. Their sizing goes from extra small to a 4X, which I love and I appreciate very much. Back of the dress, again, this one is a little tricky to show on camera, but it ties right here above the back, so it's really nice because since it is so low cut, I can adjust it to the right length on me. And then it has like this little peephole right here, so the back and your stomach is going to be showing, and then it just drapes down to this gorgeous kind of like maxi almost. I think I am most excited to wear this dress out to like the wineries or something. I feel like this will be really beautiful, and again, this is kind of like that tropical looking dress. This is definitely giving me vacation island vibes and I'm so obsessed with it, and I honestly cannot wait to see how it looks. And I feel like with a sleek hairstyle kind of like how I have right now, it's gonna look so good. The next thing I picked up from Cupshe was a swimsuit because you already know that I had to get a swimsuit from Cupshe. The one thing that I love about Cupshe is these swimsuits are great for those family outings at the beach or at the pool. They're very modest and they're very comfortable. The swimsuit that I picked out is just so cute and it has a lot of coverage, which is really nice because my mom does not like my other swimsuits that I have, which sometimes we need a little bit more covered, modest swimsuit. So I picked this one out. So the bottoms are very high-waisted and they are a full coverage bum, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe just like a little cheeky, just like a little bit I feel like. But I needed a swimsuit like this because some of the swimsuits I be wearing are like tiny, teeny in the front and teeny in the back. So I'm sure my mom will appreciate this swimsuit, and when I showed her this one, she thought it was so darling. So I'm obsessed with this. I love me a good gingham, and the red and white gingham is actually one of my favorite patterns ever. I think this is going to look so cute with like a little straw hat or something, and this is the top. Like, so cute. Very strawberry shortcake vibes. I love that these straps are adjustable, and you guys, this quality and the material, this is no joke. Like, this is no $7.99 to set, okay? This is incredible. It is thick. You are going to be covered. You're going to be protected. It's not going to get ruined with sun damage. And Cupshe actually changed a few things about their swimsuits. The cup is now easier to remove on the inside, so if you prefer to take them out and remove them, which personally sometimes I do that, it is now way easier to remove, so you can go ahead and just remove it out here. They have new sliders and rings and straps that are now way more adjustable, which for me, I appreciate, again, because I am on the very flat chested side. Most tops tend to fit very big in this area, so an adjustable strap is very much appreciated from me. So Cupshe just doesn't have really nice swimsuits. They also have some really nice lounge, activewear, and dresses, and I actually picked out a little workout set that I'm so excited to show you guys. It was so hard to choose because they had so many fun colors and really adorable workout sets and even loungewear, which I was so shocked to see and so excited. But I decided to go with something that I don't already have in my closet. So I went with an all black workout set. The material is very similar to some Gymshark leggings that I have, which says a lot. They're nice ribbed material, and then they have a little crisscrossing detail right here on the waistband. And then to go ahead and match the leggings, I picked up this black sports bra. Sports bras in this style are my literal favorite, and this one is so cute. It is so simple, but it's going to literally go with everything. This material is incredible, you guys. It feels buttery soft, but it is so thick. Also, I do want to mention that Cupshe's Black Friday sale is actually happening right now. Be sure to check out the link in my description box to go ahead and start shopping their sale, because they have such a good sale right now. And if you like any of these pieces that I'm showing you today, go ahead and cop yourself your very own. The last two items I'm sharing with you today are two dresses, and I don't know why I was really feeling the dresses, but they were just so cute and I literally had to get them all. This dress is absolutely stunning. I fell in love with the neckline. It is just a V neck, and then the back has two little cutouts. So it has one right here on the upper back, and then it ties into a little bow, and then it has a little backless moment. I love this color. The last dress I picked out has to be my most favorite. I definitely can see myself wearing this one so much this fall season. It is this gorgeous kind of deep coral dress, and I love the V neckline, and it is just a very comfortable looking dress. I love that it just kind of goes straight down. I envision myself wearing this with like a little hat, like it's not like the fitted hats like the trucker hats back there, but the ones up there that are, you know, like up there, that one. And I mean, the fact that they all have slips underneath just makes my life so much better, because the last thing I want is a see-through dress. Staring at your dress because it's see-through. Like a lot of shit that you ain't been through. Thank you so much to Cupshe for working with me on today's video. I am so obsessed with every single item that I got. And if you want to go ahead and check out Cupshe and their amazing sale they have going on, I will leave all the links down in the description for you to go ahead and click on. I will also have each individual item and their link down in the description, so it's very easy and accessible for you to go ahead and shop. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in next week's video.